Fresh off the cart, unpacking an English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, fresh off the cart. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding these expressions can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get into it and find out what this phrase means and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, fresh off the cart, is a colloquial expression used to describe something that is newly available or recently arrived. It suggests that the item or product is so new it might as well have just been removed from a delivery cart. The term evokes imagery of freshness, immediacy, and the idea of receiving something straight from its source. Originally, this phrase could have been related to food markets where goods are delivered by carts and sold directly to customers, highlighting the freshness of the produce. However, in modern usage, it's applied more broadly to include anything new or recent, not just food. Using fresh off the cart in your everyday conversations can add a playful and vivid element to your language. Here are a few examples of how it can be used. For new products, I just bought this phone. It's fresh off the cart. Haven't even set it up yet. For information or news, did you hear about the new policy? It's fresh off the cart, and everyone's talking about it. For fashion, check out these sneakers. Fresh off the cart. I was the first in line to get them. Remember, the phrase is informal, so it's best used in casual conversations or in situations where a light-hearted tone is appropriate. Like many expressions in English, fresh off the cart can have variations that carry a similar meaning. You might hear, fresh off the boat, fob, although it can have a different connotation, referring to something or someone new to a country. It also implies newness and freshness. Hot off the press. This is another variation, often used to refer to news or information that is very new and just being released. Understanding these variations can help you better grasp the nuances of English and enrich your vocabulary. We hope this video has shed some light on the expression, fresh off the cart, and how you can incorporate it into your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about discovering new ways to express yourself and understanding the culture behind the phrases. Don't hesitate to use this phrase when you have something new to share or want to emphasize the freshness of something. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep practicing, and stay curious about the wonderful world of English.